So this is the solar hot water heater that I built some years back. You can tell it's a little dirty, but I will have more footage which will be shown on my drone so you'll be able to see the top side of it. It's got a temperature gauge at the bottom edge in the plastic there. I don't know if you can read it or not, but it is 100 degrees inside according to that. I find it usually is actually a little warmer than that. It's a very simple system. It's a box, as you can see, with insulation at the bottom of it. It has an old water heater tank with all the skin, the insulation skin, cut off of it. So it was basically smoothed down to the inside tank and spray painted black, barbecue grill black. And then the top of it is covered with glass panels, just regular window glass, the cheap stuff. And then I added, there's two valves here. There's one to drain it for the winter, and there's another valve there that's hooked to the temperature pressure relief valve. So if it gets too hot, it will dump out some of the water, which just goes into my gutter system on the roof. It's not anything particularly fancy, but it's worked quite well for a number of years, at least here in the southern USA it works. Depends on the climate, I'm sure, how good your results would be, but most of the year we use this. We do occasionally use I've got an instant heat hot water heater that we use in the winter time, or if we have a really long span of cloudy weather. But let's go inside. I'll have some drone footage so you can see it from the top a little better, and then we'll go inside and see what temperature the water is right now. Is evening time, as you can see. Sun's down past my trees, so it's not the ideal time, but it should be quite good, so we shall see. Okay, so now we're in the house. This is my thermometer so you can see outdoors. It is 86 degrees. In the house it's 75 degrees, which doesn't really matter. But now let's see what the temperature of the water is. So, it's a warm summer's day, but let's see what we get here. So, here is the sink. My thermometer is showing 77.5 degrees. And get some water. So over 133 degrees, I would say that's plenty hot enough. Especially considering, you know, as we saw, outside temperature is 86, so the difference in temperature there is exclusively that greenhouse effect of the heater tank being trapped inside glass. If it weren't for that, 86 degrees would be all the hotter it would get. So, should give you some ideas. Hopefully you enjoy this video.